These are the 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time observations for the local area on Friday, April 23rd. At Patterson, cloudy. Temperature 74 degrees, dew point 66, and the relative humidity 76%, wind east at 16 miles an hour. The pressure 29.91 inches and falling. At Homa, cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees, dew point 63, and the relative humidity 68%, wind southeast at 18 miles an hour. The pressure 29.94 inches and falling. At New Iberia, cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees, dew point 66, and the relative humidity 73%, wind southeast at 18 miles an hour. The pressure 29.88 inches and falling. New Orleans International Airport, cloudy. 76. Baton Rouge, cloudy. 74. Lafayette, cloudy. 73. Lake Charles, cloudy. 74. Biloxi, Mississippi, partly sunny. 71. These are buoy reports along the Gulf. At Grand Isle, sea temperature 68 degrees. Buoy at the southwest pass of the Mississippi River, wind southeast at 12 knots. Air temperature 78 degrees. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southeast Louisiana coastal waters, from Port Fourchon to Lower Atchafalaya River. Small craft exercise caution in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Small craft advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. Tonight, south winds around 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday, southwest winds around 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Saturday night, west winds around 15 knots veering northwest after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Sunday, east winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, east winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southwest Louisiana coastal waters, from Intercoastal City to Cameron. Tonight, south winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday, southwest winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Saturday night, west winds around 10 knots veering north after midnight. Seas 2 feet or less. Sunday, east winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Sunday night, southeast winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southwest Louisiana coastal waters, from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, including Vermilion Bay. Tonight, south winds around 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Saturday, southwest winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Saturday night, west winds around 15 knots veering north after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday, northeast winds around 15 knots veering east 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3